friends, it's Danielle. Happy almost spring. Wanted to pop back in. Feels like it's been a little while to chat with you about a subscription service that I am loving. You know that over the years I've tried quite a few. Some I love more than others, but this one, FabFitFun, is rapidly making it to the top of my list because it caters to the beauty lover in you, it caters to the fitness guru in you, and it caters to the part of you that needs to be spoiled and loved. So I wanted to, this is the spring box. I'm gonna show you what's in here, what type of goodies. Every box has about $200 worth of product, and something else I love, they're all full-size products, so no samples. So when you fall in love with a product, you actually get to use it for its full lifetime. It always comes with a bit of a magazine at the beginning, and it walks you through all the different products that are in your box and how to get the most use out of them. So I do love that. What do we have? A little spoil ya? Okay, so some of the products in here I don't know anything about, or I didn't know before this, but again, I have the magazine to walk me through that. This is, look at how beautiful this little clutch is. Rachel Pally, I believe is how she says her name. I hope I'm not saying that incorrectly, but I am getting ready to take this on spring break with me, and I love the colors. I mean, I suppose that I could, look at that, I could flip it. I could make it reversible. That's one. Okay, so I'm talking about the beauty person in you. So this is like the fashion and stylist person in me. This caters to my need to take care of myself. My daughter is obsessed with sleep masks, and I know that I've been working really hard to get a good amount of sleep and get a very rested sleep. So I'm hoping that using something like this will be good. So this is, it says with love from Texas. It says free people on it, but it's also super soft. I should probably take it out of here if I can do it so that you can see just how thick that is. So I'll be putting that on my face tonight. Don't be jealous. Speaking of taking care of myself, massaging has always been something I've loved, but the ability to stimulate yourself, stimulate your body, stimulate your skin before you go to sleep is a good thing. Next we have, this is body butter, okay, and it has guava in it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells yummy. So there you go, spoiling yourself again. Back to beauty-ish lip statement palette. Look at these beautiful colors. And I did notice that in the magazine, look at, you're seeing a mess in my office. Let's not do that. That I did notice that in the magazine, it talks about the best ways to use the palette, which I don't typically wear a lot of bright lipsticks, so I'm excited to look through those. Murad, that is a name in skincare I am positive you have heard before. So it's Skin Perfecting Lotion. I'm looking forward to trying that as well. This was really interesting. When I was first looking at it, I wasn't sure what it is because it says Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. So I instantly thought we were talking about concealing the ridges in my face, but no, we are, it's for your nail polish. So concealing the ridges down along your nails. See, taking care of you all over body-wise. This is, it says #1 Manhattan Beach. So growing up in California, not far from Manhattan Beach, that's very appealing to me. It's a candle, and you know what, you guys? It smells like springtime. It smells like summer. See, can you smell? I wonder if it tells me. My poor eyes won't even tell me. I can't even read. I'm not even gonna try to read that for you. And then Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, which I love. I actually have some of this in my shower. I have fallen in love with it recently, and now I can take the sample size with me when we go on vacation. And finally, a new love of mine right now, tassel earrings. These are Etika, is what it looks like it says. And you can get with them online as well, tag them. So I shall be trying these on shortly, but look at how lovely they are. I love tassel earrings. I'm loving anything long and flowy. It makes it definitely feel like springtime. So let me give you, so now that I've showed you what's in the box, I want to give you a little bit of 411 on how it works. You have two options. You can either sign up seasonally, so you get them 4 times a year. That's $49.99. If you'd like to go the select level, it's $179, $179.99 for the entire year. And with that, that's sort of the select promotion. And you have the opportunity to have access to a few extra little bits and pieces. But with both subscriptions, you do have access to their FabFitFun TV. Now we're talking about feeling fabulous, feeling fit, and having fun, right? So that makes sense. But all these videos online, you could do yoga, you could do booty yoga, you could do bar, you could do meditation, there are cooking videos. So I love that with this membership, you have access to all these other tools to make you feel fun, fit, and fabulous. So I think that's everything. Ooh, I do have a code for you. It's Spring Love, and that will get you $10 off your new subscription. I have an affiliate code down below. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Always happy to answer anything I can. Have a beautiful day.